Tomato prices are skyrocketing. Buying this basic ingredient which goes into almost all of your meals is going to stretch your monthly budget. On our top story today, we are focusing on the sudden surge in tomato prices from 50 to 60 rupees to over 80 rupees per kilo, crossing even 120 rupees per kilo in some cities. Over the last few weeks in several cities, you will have to pay 8 to 10 rupees for a single tomato. While shopkeepers in local mandis cite high prices from retailers, farmers claim that they are receiving very little of these exorbitant prices that you are shelling out of your monthly veggie budget. Milan gets us this report from Delhi.
Your morning shopping for tomatoes just got expensive. Prices of tomatoes have shot up to about 100 to 120 rupees a kg in most cities in India, especially when we talk about New Delhi. The supply of tomatoes here comes from Bangalore, from Himachal Pradesh and from Maharashtra. While vendors are telling us at retail prices they are trying to sell the tomatoes at a lesser price, they are also facing a loss here, selling it at 80 to 100 rupees a kilo. And customers have now either cut down their purchases of tomatoes. Earlier, who used to buy around 2 kilos to 5 kilos have come down to 1 kg and are not buying more than that. And definitely the prices will come down in a month or so, but at this point of time you will have to rejig your home budget if you are going out shopping for tomatoes, which is now an essential commodity in a lot of households. In New Delhi, this is Milan Sharma for Mirror Now.
Richa Sharma conducted price check in Mumbai. Let's have a look at what she found.
This tomato that I'm holding currently in my hand right now costs around 90 to 100 rupees per kg as of today. That's right, I'm currently standing at the Dadar Sabzi Mandi market area, and as we have been reporting from the past few weeks, the prices of tomatoes are skyrocketing, and earlier they were being sold anywhere between 100 to 120 rupees per kg, specifically the good quality tomatoes. And even today, speaking to a number of customers as well as the suppliers and traders here, they are stating that the prices of tomatoes are remaining to be the same, anywhere between 80 to 100 rupees kg, although they are looking optimistic about the fact that now that the erratic behavior or nature of the rain is subsiding and the weather conditions are suitable for the vegetables to survive, the crops to survive. But at the same time, they are stating that to stabilize and marginalize the market area as a whole when it comes to the state of Maharashtra, which still is lacking when it comes to supplying vegetables to the city of Mumbai, it will take anywhere in at least a few weeks of time to actually go through the whole process of bringing down the prices of specifically tomatoes. And speaking to a number of customers, they are stating that somewhere their monthly and weekly budget of vegetables are affecting on account of this overpriced tomatoes that are currently being sold in the city of Mumbai.